The Southwire SIMPULL fish tape provides a faster, easier way to push and pull fish tapes through EMT and PVC conduit. The low-friction spiral extruded polymer allows the tape to easily glide through conduit without binding at turns, joints, or couplings. The SIMPULL fish tapes are kink and break resistant, combining the strength of a steel fish tape with greater flexibility than fiberglass fish tapes. The non-conductive material is also rust resistant and will not deform when bent like other fish tape materials. These fish tapes are lightweight and greatly reduce user fatigue and downtime on the job due to fish tape breakage. The SIMPULL fish tape features 2 different leaders on various models. The flexible metal leaders with a swiveling tip allows the fish tape to roll off turns and continue moving without binding in tight radius turns. The fish tapes also feature a non-conductive glow-in-the-dark leader, making the fish tape non-conductive from end to end, allowing for easy installation over existing wires. SIMPULL fish tapes are a must-have for any professional electrical contractor pushing or pulling wire or cable through conduit. Southwire. Built for durability. Built for reliability. Built for work.
The DEWALT Concealer Safety Goggles feature a lightweight, dual-injected rubber frame that provides a soft, flexible seal around the eyes. The adjustable head strap provides a customized, comfortable fit. A built-in ventilation channel provides extra fog control and ventilation, while the full coverage of the one-piece polycarbonate lens keeps your eyes protected from dangerous impacts and harmful UV rays. The DEWALT Concealer is also available with an RX insert, so you don't have the inconvenience of switching back and forth between your goggles and prescription eyewear. Compliant with ANSI Z87.1 standards and available in a clear or smoke anti-fog lens, the DEWALT Concealer goggles are engineered for comfort, durability, and safety. And of course, they're guaranteed tough.
comes to maintaining your lawn, you want the best looking result with the least amount of effort, right? Well, nothing makes the job of mowing the lawn easier than having the right lawnmower. Hi, I'm Skip Fidel, and I'm here to tell you about the latest in battery-operated lawnmowers from the leading brand in the industry. For years, Ego has been the #1 rated battery-operated lawnmower. Proven to cut just as well, if not better, than gas-powered competitors, without any of the fuss, fumes, or noise. Now they've taken all that industry-leading technology to a whole new level. This is the new Ego Power Plus 21-inch Select Cut Mower with touch drive self-propelled technology. Like its predecessors, the Ego mower is known for its compact storage, one-handed 3-level position height adjustment, push-button start, LED headlights, brushless motor, and a 56-volt ARC lithium battery. The most powerful, longest-lasting battery in the industry. And with over 60 minutes of runtime, that means you'll be able to cut your entire lawn on a single charge. Ego's self-propelled capability makes it easier than ever before to move across the lawn with minimal effort. With the new touch drive technology, you simply dial in your speed setting, touch either trigger, and you're moving. And with 11 different speed increments, you can find the perfect pace to get the job done quickly or with a casual stroll. It even functions without blade rotation for ease of returning your mower to its storage place. And with Ego's durable all-weather construction, cleanup is super easy. The 21-inch mower with the new Select Cut multi-blade cutting system is equipped with 2 interchangeable lower blades, the Edge Premium Mulching Blade and the Edge Premium Bagging Blade. The Premium Mulching Blade is ideal for weekly mowing and gives you the cut quality and runtime you expect from a high-end lawnmower. The Premium Bagging Blade is a heavy-duty blade that turns grass into fine fragments, ideal for both bagging and mulching for a lush, healthy lawn. The standard Ego Edge upper blade is used in combination with the lower blade chosen to slice grass into fine fragments, leaving you with a finely sculpted lawn that'll have your yard looking like a golf course. The new Ego Select Cut Mower with touch drive is easy to set up and easy to use. And with a 7-position height adjustment, you're guaranteed to get the perfect cut every time. Not only will you have fun mowing your lawn, but with better cut quality than ever before, you're going to be looking forward to it.
Introducing the 20-piece 3/8 drive socket wrench set from WORKPRO. Constructed from forged CRV steel and chrome plated, each component is built to be durable and rust resistant. The set contains 9 3/8 drive sockets of both SAE and metric sizes, a 3-inch extension bar for better reach in confined spaces, and a pair head ratchet. The ratchet features a 72-tooth gearhead for smooth ratcheting and ease of use, a direction reversing switch lever, and a ball bearing quick release mechanism. The patented carry rack provides secure organization and storage with a 360-degree rotating socket organizer for easy accessibility, with designated slots for each socket, the extension bar, and ratchet. Ideal to keep on hand in a car, at home, or in the garage, this socket set is sure to serve you well for years to come. WORKPRO.